locked out of your Facebook account? Whether it's a security check or login loop, I have got the solution to get you back in. Is this a security check log or are you completely unable to access your account? Comment below. If you are seeing a security check, follow Facebook's prompt exactly. This usually involves identifying friends in photos or confirming login locations. No access to your email or phone? Try Facebook's Trusted Contacts feature if you set it up previously. This lets friends help you recover access. For login load, clear your browser cookies or try a different browser entirely. Sometimes cached data causes this issue. If you suspect unauthorized access, secure your account before trying to log back in. Once recovered, enable two-factor authentication to prevent future lockouts from suspicious activity. Back in your account. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.